Today, we are going to show you how to use a key cloning tool to add a new key for our vehicle. This is the BMW BDC3 key. And this is the main board. Connect the adapter cable. Choose the BDC32 adapter clip and fasten the cable properly. Disassemble the original car keys. If the key has an H here, cloning success rate will be much higher. Put the battery into the main board. Press this red button. The red battery light comes on. Main board powered up. Line up the adapter clip to the holes and clamp the key. These two pins matches the two holes here. Just align and lock. This one's the read button. This one's the write button. Now press the read button. To read the data from the original key, this light will flash twice. This means the data reading is done. Don't power off now. Take the key off. Do it the same way. Disassemble the keys you want to add. Clamp the new key onto the same holes. Press the write button. The writing light will stay lit. It flashes twice. Writing is done. Okay. We can power off now. Cloning done. Now put the key back together and test it. First, test the original key. Both unlocking and locking functions work properly. Then test our new key. All good. Let's get into the vehicle and try starting it. No issues. All done.